In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to add background sounds to iPhone Control Center. So let's get started. So you're gonna head over to your Control Center, and then in the top left corner, you're gonna click on the plus sign. From here, you're gonna click on add a control, and then just search for background, and then you're gonna see background sounds appear under hearing accessibility. Just go ahead and click on that, and then you can just click anywhere else to get rid of this menu. And now I can just go ahead and click on it, and my background sounds are gonna start playing. Now if you want to make changes to the background noise, all you have to do is hold the button, and then you can also adjust the volume, and you can click on sounds, and you can change the sounds to whatever other thing you want. For example, we have ocean, night, fire, and so many other relaxing sounds. So you can go ahead and choose whatever you're in the mood of. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.